Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.